Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress vertical navigation menu. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then, on the left-hand side, find and click on Appearance, followed by Menus. This is where all your navigation magic begins. You will then be prompted to create a new menu. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. This initial step is crucial for organizing your site's navigation effectively. Now that you have a menu created, it's time to add content. On the left, you'll see options to add pages, posts, custom links, or categories. Simply check the boxes next to the items you want and click Add to Menu. To organize, drag and drop items into your preferred sequence. For a hierarchical structure, indent items slightly to the right to create submenus, offering a clean, organized navigation experience for your visitors. With your menu populated, the next step is to display it on your website. Navigate to Appearance and then Widgets. Find the Custom Menu widget and drag it into a suitable widget area, such as a sidebar or footer, depending on your theme's layout. From the widget settings, select the specific vertical menu you just created from the drop-down list. Remember to save your changes to make your new navigation live for everyone to see. Finally, let's make your vertical menu visually appealing. Many WordPress themes offer basic styling options through the Customizer under Appearance. For more advanced control, you can add custom CSS code to fine-tune colors, fonts, spacing, and overall layout. It's crucial to ensure your menu is fully responsive, meaning it adapts beautifully to screens of all sizes, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones, providing an excellent user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.